Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the tire for your scooter. This is a fairly simple process. So, like always, File, New, Part. Then what you're going to want to do is change to millimeters. So go Tools, Document Settings, Units, and then under Units of Length, change from inch to millimeters. Then hit OK. Sketch tab, and you're going to start a 2D sketch. Choose the XZ plane. I like to put this so it's in the right orientation. Doesn't matter, but I think it's kind of silly that it came in weird like that. You're going to then create a circle for the outer part of your tire, 110. So you just click once and let go and then go outwards and then enter 110. Then you're going to do a second circle on the inside of this that's smaller, 70 millimeters in diameter. You're going to finish that sketch. I would zoom out if you need to. Under the 3D Model tab, hit Extrude. Choose the outer surface here to extrude it by 24 millimeters. Hit Enter. You're going to then use the fillet tool to round the edges. Change the radius to 12 millimeters and then click on both of these outer lines. And notice how that makes it a nice round tire. Hit OK. And then I'm going to color this yellow. You could do a different color if you'd like, but I definitely want you to color it in. So you click and drag over the whole thing, and then you can use this color wheel to color it in. Lastly, don't forget to save your work. So File, Save. And then what I would do on your H drive is create a new folder for this project. Click to get into it, and then give this a description that makes sense. So I would call this scooter tire. And then hit save. Let me know if you have any additional questions on how to make this tire.